Carra said the other night on Monday Night Football, and I thought it was really interesting because, to be fair, I disagree with the point, but he's not here, and I wish he was here. He said he hates long throws and the and somebody else said it yesterday, they hate long throws and the reintroduction of long throws. I'm like, I love long throws.
But he's probably because he probably has to defend them. You know,
think so? No, but from a visual perspective, he said it.
No, but visual or not,
It's a game, a style thing.
It's another way. It's another way to get an opportunity.
Yes, it's an entry into the box.
I cannot understand why has it got to this place where all of a sudden everybody's talking about the long throw or the long balling or the set pieces. It's another way. Look at when we watch football now and how hard
Who's the best at it? Brentford, Arsenal. Who's getting the ball long? Who's got the long throw?
Who's got
Brentford.
Brentford lads, you see it?
Oh my gosh! You see, but what I'm saying is that we're watching games and it's so difficult when you're trying to break down. You have to find another way. The long throw, it's been used since the beginning.
But didn't we? Yeah, but when teams are doing it now, we're praising them. But everyone looked down at Rory Delap and Stoke when they were doing it.
Ridicule them.
Yeah.